In a stunning revelation that has sent shockwaves through the aviation industry, Airbus CEO Guillaume Faury recently announced plans to redesign the iconic A380 Super Jumbo. This announcement comes as a surprise to many, as the A380 program had faced uncertainty in recent years, with declining demand for large four-engine aircraft. However, Faury's bold move signifies Airbus's determination to breathe new life into the A380 and reaffirm its position as a leader in the commercial aviation sector. The A380, often dubbed the Queen of the Skies, has been a symbol of Airbus's ambition and innovation since its first flight in 2005. It was designed to revolutionize long-haul travel by offering unprecedented passenger comfort and capacity. However, as the aviation industry has evolved, airlines have increasingly favored smaller, more fuel-efficient twin-engine aircraft like the Boeing 787 Dreamliner and the Airbus A350. This shift in preference has left the A380 struggling to find its place in the market. Guillaume Faury's announcement has sparked intense speculation about the nature of the A380 redesign and how it will position Airbus in relation to other plane makers and their aircraft model. To understand the significance of this move, it's essential to delve into the details of the A380's history, the challenges it has faced, and the broader context of the commercial aviation industry. The Airbus A380 was conceived as a response to the growing demand for long-haul air travel. Its distinctive double-deck design promised to revolutionize passenger comfort and convenience, making it the largest passenger aircraft in the world. With a typical seating capacity of around 555 passengers in a three-class configuration and a range of up to 8,000 nautical miles, the A380 was designed to serve as the flagship of airlines' fleets. However, the journey of the A380 has been far from smooth. Despite initial enthusiasm from airlines and passengers alike, the aircraft faced several challenges that led to a decline in orders. High operating costs, particularly due to the use of four large engines, made it less attractive to airlines looking to optimize their fleets for efficiency. Additionally, the rise of long-range twin-engine aircraft, such as the Boeing 777 and the Airbus A350, provided airlines with alternatives that were more economical to operate on many routes. The COVID-19 pandemic further exacerbated the A380's woes, as global travel restrictions and reduced demand led airlines to ground their Super Jumbo. Many airlines took the opportunity to retire their A380 fleets prematurely, casting doubts over the future of this iconic aircraft. Guillaume Faury's decision to initiate an A380 redesign is a daring and strategic move. It signals Airbus's commitment to the aircraft and its determination to address the challenges that have plagued its sales and operational viability. It is expected to focus on improving the A380's fuel efficiency and operating costs. This could involve the incorporation of advanced materials, aerodynamic enhancements, and engine upgrade. Airbus will likely leverage its expertise in developing the highly successful A350 and A330neo programs to bring the A380 into the modern era of aviation. The redesign could also include modifications to the aircraft's interior, enhancing passenger comfort and amenities to make it more attractive to airlines and passengers. This move would align with the trend of airlines offering more luxurious and personalized experiences to differentiate themselves in a competitive market. One cannot discuss the A380 redesign without considering the competitive landscape in the aviation industry. Airbus's main rival, Boeing, has been a strong player in the market with its twin-engine offerings like the Boeing 787 Dreamliner and the Boeing 777X. These aircraft have gained popularity among airlines due to their fuel efficiency and versatility on long-haul routes. Boeing's 787 Dreamliner in particular has been a formidable competitor to the A380. It offers airlines a smaller, more cost-effective option for long-haul flight. Its composite materials, advanced aerodynamics, and fuel-efficient engines have made it a favorite among carriers looking to reduce operating costs while providing a high level of passenger comfort. In contrast to the A380's four engines, the Dreamliner boasts the fuel efficiency of two powerful modern engines. This is a significant advantage in an era where airlines are increasingly focused on environmental sustainability and reducing their carbon footprint. The A380 redesign must address these factors to remain competitive against Boeing's offering. Another critical factor in the competition between Airbus and Boeing is market demand. Airlines have been increasingly favoring point-to-point routes, bypassing traditional hub-and-spoke models that would benefit the A380. This shift in network strategies has limited the A380's relevance, as it was primarily designed for congested hub airports. However, Airbus is not only competing with Boeing, but also with other aircraft manufacturers, such as Embraer and Bombardier in the regional jet segment, and newcomers like Comac from China. These manufacturers are continually innovating and challenging the established players in the market, driving the need for Airbus to evolve its product lineup to remain competitive on a global scale. The A380 redesign carries implications that extend beyond the competitive rivalry between Airbus and Boeing. It reflects the broader trends and challenges facing the aviation industry in the 21st century. One of the most significant trends in recent years has been the increasing importance of sustainability and environmental considerations in aviation. Aircraft manufacturers are under pressure to develop more eco-friendly aircraft to meet stringent emissions targets and reduce their carbon footprint. The A380 redesign presents Airbus with an opportunity to showcase its commitment to sustainability by improving the Super Jumbo's fuel efficiency and environmental performance. Another trend is the changing preferences of travelers. Passengers are becoming more discerning, seeking personalized experiences and demanding greater comfort and convenience during their journeys. Airlines are responding by investing in cabin upgrades, innovative in-flight entertainment, and improved amenities. The A380 redesign could play a crucial role in meeting these evolving passenger expectations. Additionally, the A380 redesign may influence the strategies of airlines around the world. While many carriers have phased out or retired their A380 fleets, some still see value in operating the aircraft on specific routes where high capacity is essential. If Airbus can successfully enhance the A380's economics and passenger appeal, it may persuade airlines to reconsider their fleet decisions and retain or even expand their A380 operation. While the A380 redesign offers exciting possibilities, Airbus must overcome several challenges to make it a success. One of the most significant hurdles is the cost of development. Redesigning an aircraft as complex as the A380 requires substantial financial investments in research, engineering, and testing. Airbus will need to secure commitments from airlines to order the redesigned aircraft to justify these investments. Furthermore, Airbus must navigate the evolving regulatory landscape, which is increasingly focused on reducing aviation emissions. The company will need to ensure that the redesigned A380 complies with strict environmental standards and can operate sustainably in the long term. Another challenge is convincing airlines to adopt the redesigned A380 in a post-pandemic world where travel patterns and demand remain uncertain. Airlines are cautious about making large capital expenditures, and Airbus must provide compelling reasons for them to invest in a revitalized A380. The aviation industry and aviation enthusiasts worldwide are watching closely as Airbus embarks on the A380 redesign journey. This move by the European aircraft manufacturer has sparked excitement and intrigue, as it presents a unique opportunity to witness innovation, adaptation, and competition in real time. Other major players in the aviation industry, like Boeing, are not taking Faury's announcement lightly. Boeing is known for its ability to respond swiftly and effectively to market dynamics, and it will likely be closely monitoring the A380's progress. If Airbus succeeds in revitalizing the A380 and rekindling airline interest, Boeing may consider its own strategic moves to remain competitive. Furthermore, airlines themselves are watching with keen interest. Those that have retired their A380s or scaled down operations with the aircraft are likely to evaluate the redesigned version carefully. If the A380 can offer improved economics, sustainability, and passenger experience, airlines may revisit their decisions and consider reintroducing the Super Jumbo to their fleet. Airlines with existing A380s may also be intrigued by the prospect of upgrading their current aircraft with the latest advancements from Airbus. This could breathe new life into older A380s, extending their operational lifespan and enhancing their appeal to passengers. Airbus CEO Guillaume Faury's decision to reveal plans for an A380 redesign is a bold and forward-thinking move. It reflects Airbus's determination to reposition itself in the commercial aviation market by addressing the challenges that have hindered the A380's success. Thank you for sticking with me all the way to the end. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure the notification bell is turned on so you don't miss a video.